Wood in the automotive industry. Wood has been used in the automotive industry in various ways throughout history. In the early days of automobiles, wooden frames were commonly used to support the body of the vehicle. Later, wood was used in car interiors as a decorative element, often as part of the dashboard or door panels. Today, wood is still used in some luxury cars as a way to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to the interior. Wood trim can be found on the dashboard, center console, and door panels of high-end cars, and can be made from a variety of woods including walnut, mahogany, and maple. In addition to its aesthetic qualities, wood can also be used in automotive applications for its structural properties. For example, plywood is sometimes used in the construction of car bodies, as it is strong, lightweight, and easy to shape. Wood is also used in the manufacture of racing cars, where lightweight and strong materials are essential. Overall, while the use of wood in the automotive industry has diminished over time, it still plays a role in some high-end vehicles and in specialized applications where its unique properties are valued.